Welcome to this instructional video, which will cover how to locate the appropriate installation manuals to install your OVE Decor shower from the Endless collection. Depending on the shower configuration kit you have purchased, you will receive a shower base if included in your kit, shower walls if included, an assortment of shower door and glass panels, including all the hardware for their installation, as well as shower accessories such as shelves if included in your kit. Before starting the installation, open all the boxes and review the installation manuals, ensuring that you've received all the parts necessary for the installation of each component. Always start the installation by first installing the shower base, then move to the shower walls, then to the shower door and glass panels, and finally finishing by installing the accessories. The shower base box may contain more than one installation manual. Read the first page of each installation manual and select the one which matches your desired shower configuration, either an installation in alcove, meaning between 3 walls, or a side panel installation, meaning 2 walls corner installation. Carefully read and follow these instructions to complete your shower base installation before moving on to the wall panels or the shower door installation. The wall panels will also come with their own installation manual located in the wall panels box. Carefully read and follow these instructions to complete your wall panels installation before moving on to the shower door installation. The installation manuals for the shower door and glass panels will be found in the door panel box. They will be neatly contained in a folder. In order to cover all possible configurations of the OVE Decor's Endless Shower collection, the folder will contain multiple installation manuals. Before beginning the installation, locate and read the first page of the 2 smaller booklets which are labeled as reference guide. It is easy to find the proper reference guide for your shower configuration kit. Simply match your panel configuration arrangement with one of the images at the top of the first page of the reference guide. This reference guide will serve as a companion booklet for quick reference of all measurements needed throughout the shower installation. Now, locate and select the full installation manual booklet matching your precise shower configuration kit. This is done by selecting the installation manual booklet on which the first page drawing matches to your panel configuration arrangement. As an example, the shower configuration kit shown in this image matches to this drawing, and therefore this would be the appropriate installation manual to select in this case. You are now ready to install the shower door and glass panels by carefully following the steps in the selected instruction manual.